Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete pages in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process. Once you open the Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the file that you're working and you want to delete the pages. Basically, it's very easy. All you're gonna do is go to the right side corner of your dashboard. You see you can add, rotate, order, or delete. You see that? Pages using the thumbnail images. If you click that, for example, this, I want you to click on it. Click on the organized pages. You should be able to delete the pages that you have here. For example, this, all right? Or go to the home page right here. There's another section. Go to the edit section right here. And there is an option that says delete pages. If you click that, it would still require it to go to the Adobe Acrobat Pro so you can unlock the full potential of your editing tools. Another option is go to the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once you open the file, it's the similar process. Just go to the section here wherein you can delete specific page using the thumbnail pages. You see, you click that. There should be an option that says delete pages. You also have the option to reduce page thumbnails, enlarge page thumbnails, and a lot more, all right? If you click that, what will happen is it would ask you to delete the pages. But before deleting pages here in Adobe Acrobat, you might want to opt for the Acrobat Pro, all right? So you see, this is the kind of limitation here because you need to delete and insert pages, copy, rearrange, or renumber pages. But it's very easy because all you're going to do is press the trash icon, which is the delete button. And there you go. All right. Because sometimes PDFs contain blank pages that you might want to remove. So you can easily identify pages in the thumbnail view and delete them in the same way. You can also delete a range of pages by selecting the first page right here and the last page in the range while holding down the shift key. Unfortunately, guys, I hate to break it to you, the Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is the free version right now that I'm using from this desktop application, as well as this one, the Adobe Acrobat, the web version, doesn't have the capability to delete pages from a PDF. All right? You need, again, to have the Adobe Acrobat Pro for full access to page management features like deleting, rearranging, and rotating pages. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.